tasks and responsibilities of a material inspector are you're looking at the batch sheets, you're knowing your ingredients, you're weighing up everything that needs to be weighed up, and just making sure everything's labeled correctly for the processors. One day I could be in the room weighing up the spices. The next day I could be the runner, which I'm out there getting the spices for the weighers to weigh up. And then we also have a liquid person, and they're weighing those up. The challenging part of being a material inspector is knowing the ingredients. You got to be able to read that batch sheet, and you got to know what you're reading is what is put on your cart. We deal with a lot of allergens, and you got to be careful. We're making sure that it's not cross-contaminated on our uniforms. You don't want to do an allergen and then go over to do your normal, regular ingredients, and then some of the dusting of that allergen get into any of the non-allergen product. The physical elements of my job is you're on your feet. I guarantee you I do 30 to 40,000 steps a day when I'm running. You're constantly climbing up and down steps, scooping, using your arms. Also, if the decks are waiting, you've got to make sure that you're moving pretty quickly to get that out to them so the decks aren't down. The lifting, the moving, you are not in one spot for more than 5 seconds. You are constantly on the go. The rewarding aspect of being a material inspector is when you start the product and it is finished. You have family or friends, I love this sauce. Hey, I was a part of that. I helped make that. And that just makes me feel good that I did my job right and well, and we carried on the process great. If you like the fast-paced environment and you're good with attention to detail, you will do wonderful.